I have a very special surprise for your two favorite people, Dana and Joslyn.
Wait, for us?
For us? Yeah, for you guys.
What?
It's green. I can't really.
Stop.
I don't know. Is it your dream? Is it your lifetime?
Are you talking about? No, you're joking.
I don't know,
You're
you
joking.
guys. It might be slime. It might be not.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry!
I wish I were kidding.
Why? You're gonna get slime! You guys are gonna get slime! I'm gonna cry. Thank you in advance. We finally get to feel slime, experience being slime. Taste it! This is all real. Mercy. We want a really aggressive slime. We've been dreaming of this our whole lives. We want Katy Perry slime style.
Okay.
It's all happening.
Green. We want to be leprechauns.
That's the best day of my life!
It's official. We've got the suits on. It's official.
I feel a little dizzy now. Let's get slimed!
You know what time it is?
It's slime time! Are you ready? Who's ready? Dana! 1, 2, 3. It's slime time! We've been wondering what's in this.
I don't think it's edible.
I think it's Play-Doh. It's amazing! Never want this moment to end.
Joslyn, you look really good.
You look beautiful.
Do you think we're ready to go hit the red carpet?
Yeah,
for the
let's go. It's
KCAs?
time for the KCA.
Let's do it!
Let's go! I'm so glad you have that elegant sequin top on underneath.
Don't shake. Don't shake.
Don't move.
Dana, you're
I
gonna...
told you I'm ready for the red carpet. Did I get it all? I get it all?
Oh, just a little slime bath. There we go. Slimy toes. Slimy fingers and toes. A commemorative towel. I'll never forget this.
Kids' Choice.
Kids' Choice Awards 2014. Don't miss it.
Hey, Justin Bieber said it best. Never say never.
Yesterday I was just a normal girl, and today I'm a woman who's been slimed.
I don't know. I'm gonna go clean up. Thanks, Mom.
Click here to check out the 7 most unforgettable slime moments ever from the Kids' Choice Awards. We're talking Katy Perry, Justin Bieber, and more.